Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Crochet Fashion Area. I hope you all guys will be fine and safe. Where we dive into the mesmerizing world of crochet creativity. Today I'm thrilled to share with you some breathtaking crochet design that will inspire your next project. But before we unravel this yarn-filled adventure, let's jump right into the colorful and cozy world of crochet design. Are you ready to embark on an exciting journey with us? Let's begin the journey. In today's video, we are going to explore our best crochet collection for women. We have different types of crochet design. In this video, we show you the some crochet choker necklace pattern designs collection. These are all collection are very useful. These collection will definitely helps you to improve your personality. These are all handmade crochet choker necklace pattern designs collection. We have some unique collection of crochet choker necklace pattern designs collection. You can see the beauty of the crochet choker necklace pattern design ideas 2024. If you want to see different crochet design, you must visit our channel. There we regularly explore our new crochet design. You can see the beauty of these crochet necklace choker pattern designs collection. New ideas crochet designs collection. I hope you will enjoy the video. Do not forget to subscribe the bell icon and also join our growing family. Our every video is new adventure for you. Thanks for watching.